Have you ever tried cleaning your driveway or patio and no matter what you do, the dirt just won't come off? I've been using Jetterix for a few days around the house. And honestly, I didn't expect much, but the results were surprising. One quick thing, if you're thinking about getting one, make sure it's from the official site. Some versions look identical, but they don't perform the same. Link is in the description and pinned comment. So, what is it? It's a pressure nozzle that connects to a regular garden hose. No electricity, no bulky machines. You attach it, turn on the water, and it creates a much stronger stream than a normal hose. The first thing I noticed was the pressure. It's not like a full industrial pressure washer, but it's definitely stronger than I expected for something this simple. I tried it on some old dirt on the ground, and instead of scrubbing for minutes, it started coming off pretty quickly. What I like most is how easy it is to use. There's no setup, no instructions. You connect it and start cleaning. You can also adjust the spray depending on what you need. A focused jet for stubborn dirt or a wider spray to rinse larger areas. And it works on pretty much anything outside. Driveways, patios, cars, fences, even windows if you lower the pressure a bit. Another big advantage is that you don't need expensive equipment. A lot of people buy pressure washers or pay for cleaning services. This is a much simpler alternative that still gets the job done. It's also lightweight, so you're not dragging anything heavy around. For me, it just makes cleaning faster and easier. Things I would normally put off, I just get done in a few minutes. Right now, there are discounts available, sometimes up to 75%, but stock tends to run out pretty quickly. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it without much risk. If you've got outdoor areas that get dirty and you want something simple that actually works, this is worth trying. The official link is in the description and pinned comment, and if you've used something like this before, let me know in the comments. I'm curious to hear your experience. See you in the next video.